Okay, so as promised, here are the beef ribs that I cooked on the stovetop. Cooked them on the stovetop in 40 minutes. I'm sure they're going to be awesome. Let me just pull one of these out and we'll give it a try. Look at that, wow. Okay, I'm going to cover it with sauce first, and I'm going to cut into that. I also put some onion in here. I didn't put the onion in for taste, I just happened to want to have some vegetable, otherwise I'm just going to eat meat and rice all the time, so I just put some onion so I could have some sort of a vegetable too. Okay, so there is my finished ribs. Like I said, I cooked them in 40 minutes on the stovetop. Let me put this camera down for a minute and see if I can cut into this, and we'll see how it is. Ooh, it's nice, and just by the way I cut into it, I can feel that it feels very nice, although still too warm, of course, but the texture is definitely right. But they are still too hot. I should wait a little bit, but anyway. Okay, so let's see. There is the piece I'm going to try. Let's see how this is. Wow. I can tell you that is absolutely delicious. I did use this Stubbs Sweet Heat, which I use pretty often, and the flavor is just amazing. Okay, this is John. Thanks for watching.